You can never tell if these little blenders will actually work when you want to blend stuff. So I did a quick test here just to see if it actually works. So it's a small blender. I'm not sure if it's designed to actually make milkshakes, but when it's in the kitchen and you have a small kitchen, you want things to have multiple uses. So you don't want to have a separate milkshake machine and then a separate blending machine for cooking. We've put bananas in here. We're going to see if we can put milk in here and will it make a nice milkshake. This is a salter. Sometimes you get this in Aldi or Lidl. They normally have like 19.99. I'm not too keen on this button press though. You have to squeeze it, and when you push the button, it kind of unlodges it in. What else the word? Unlodges itself from the holder. So you have to hold it in place. So actually pureed the banana quite nicely. But if you put milk in there, will there be any lumpy bits? I'm not too sure. The banana is quite soft, so it should do a good job with this. But if you had strawberries or cranberries or anything frozen, you may have big bits and large bits in there. So you'll see you lock it in position and you spin it around on the base unit. It's quite small, but when you push the button, it kind of unhinges itself. So you have to fully make sure it's closed. You can't fit a lot in there either. So maybe one glass at most will fit in there. So did it work? Is it going to be lumpy? Actually, that's not too bad. It's okay.